Welcome to the Mega Photoshop Tutorials. In this Photoshop tutorial, I'll show you how to type text in a circle. For more details, see the video description box. Enjoy watching, remember to subscribe to my channel. So let's get started. The first step is to create a new document by going to File and New. Name your project. Set the width 2560 pixels and height 1440 pixels and fill the background with white color. Select the ellipse tool. Choose Shape, Fill, None, Stroke, None. Hold Shift and make a circle. Adjust the position of your circle. Select Horizontal Text tool. Choose a color, font and apply a formatting. Move the cursor on the line and click when you see that cursor design. Type your text. Select the Path Selection tool to adjust the position of text. Go to Window, Character and increase tracking. Select this layer, Ellipse 1, and click Ctrl+Command+T. Hold Alt key and increase the circle over the text. Click checkmark Enter or return when you are done. Select Horizontal Text tool. Enter another text in my same way as the previous one. Select the Path Selection tool and drag the text inside the circle and align it. Increase tracking. To delete the circle line, make sure that the ellipse layer is active. Go to Window menu, Paths and delete the path. If you want to move the final text, hold down Ctrl+Command and select both layers, and move them using the Move tool. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.